All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, depending on where you are on the planet. I want to talk about the opening range breakout strategy, one of the most important strategies that you can do for trading, and how to execute that for the open volatility. Today, we had a really, really nice trade on Tesla. As you see, the profit was very, very nice on Tesla. We did a short on that for opening range breakout, and I'm going to actually walk you through that how you can actually make $70,000 with such a trade. So a lot of people are asking me, Andrew, what's your plan at the open before the market opens? Why are you not telling us long or short? The answer to that is for my style of trading, I don't know the answer. I want to see the opening range price action and make a decision based on that if I want to go long or if I want to go short. If this stock is gapping up, I prefer to go opening range break up. But also you can go opening range break down if the condition is well. If this stock is gapping down, I like to opening range break down. But also you can go opening range break up depending on the condition. And the condition is the candlestick, the 1 minute candlestick or 5 minute candlestick, and where it is compared to the volume weighted average price. Let's go through the examples. So today, we had the inauguration, obviously. The President Trump came in, a lot of executive orders. And Tesla, this is the previous day close line. This is the previous day close at 426.50. We have this. Tesla was gapping up around 2%. So about 2% was gapping up. So the situation was pretty good for SPY. Obviously, Elon Musk is, pretty happy in this situation. So what he had here is now we suddenly quickly had a big volume drop. Order flow was extremely bearish. And I decided to take the trade to the short side for something called 1 minute opening range breakdown. So we look at the 1 minute opening range breakdown. So we did drop and then we went short for the break of previous day close. And then as you see there at this 424 level, we covered, and then another level favorite number of Musk cover. And then in this bounce, I added more again at 419, 420. And then we continued going down all the way again I just wanted to see the things from 2% plus, it went down all the way up to minus 5%. So that's like a 7% move that we had on Tesla. And as you see, all the way up to this 410 level that we had here. Did I add again or no? Yeah. So, and then I added again here. So again, so this is this is all one trade. So the first entry, add on the pullback, and then add one more time, and we'll get all the way up to 407. So that is opening range breakdown. For even a stock that was up plus 2% at that time, this is very important. Super important to see. And obviously you can look at a couple of things. So the first one that you want to see is the volume weighted average price. This blue line is called VWAP. The volume weighted average price is the most important indicator in trading. So you want to go short below, you want to be long above. So you don't want to do the opposite. So in that case, I went short. The stop loss was if it comes above the VWAP, claim of the VWAP, that's my risk. And as you see, my reward was almost a 10R risk to reward with the addition that we had on the shorts that we had. So this is great, amazing, very high quality trading that we had. So, and as you see here, this is, $69,000 trade. I had one trade on Nvidia that I want to actually show you that. So Nvidia, so another trade that was amazing, I want to talk to you about that is for long, this is Rocket Lab, RKLB. So again, the new administration is going to push space exploration. So Rocket Lab is one thing that it was gapping up a little bit in the morning. And again, it turned out to be a very nice 1 minute opening range breakup. And this was, the trade that I regret not taking it from 26 all the way up. It's now trading at $30. So went up all the way up to $32 as well. So, and as you see, this was one of my biggest regrets. And I just couldn't handle it, honestly, because I had a big position on Tesla. I had to focus on that position. So again, this was a very nice, 5 minute also opening range breakup. Also very nice, ABCD pattern that you can go on there for the open volatility. Usually the volatility really goes down during the day. So the opening range breakout is something that you look into that for the first half an hour to 1 hour of trading. I had another trade that I'd like to actually show you. This is very important. I took a very big trade on Nvidia just by looking at a very nice signal. So, Nvidia, again, it was a little bit choppy at the open, but I saw a huge, I'm going to show you this. We had a very, very nice signal. Sorry, let me show you that first. this one, not this one. Okay, so this is the one that I wanted to show you. So again, this was a very big sign that we saw at 140. We saw a huge signal, like this is a huge ask. And again, there's a big ask is a very bullish sign. I went long live on YouTube. You can go and watch it at 9:49:13. So I went long, and then just look at the time frame, 9:49:13. And after that, like about 20 seconds later, we're gonna see a huge pump to 140. And as you see here, you can actually see those big orders actually went through. As you see here, those orders actually went through the time and sell. So you can see my time and sells here at 9:45:27. We had 9:40. That was 10 seconds later went through, and then we just popped significantly higher. So that was a quick scalp that I did with big size for $5,000 profit. So the idea of the community here is I want to show you a couple of actually things that we had here. The idea of the community here is to help and support each other. If someone doesn't see any trading opportunity, the community usually helps. Like Daniel says, my first day as a member of BBT, and this happens. Wow, what a great day to start a journey. That's exactly this. We had a really wild time since 2020 after the pandemic. And I really want traders really come and support each other in this journey for supporting each other. Like for example, this is Chris, another one of our good traders. Welcome to probably the best place to learn trade from some of the best in the world of the trading. Also great community. Thanks, Chris, for your support. The idea here is when you're part of a community, we support each other. We give each other really, really good tips for trading. Like I have a lot of actually people commenting that Andrew, thanks for example, a lot of people really made good money on RKLB. I personally didn't trade that, but you can actually trade that if someone else mentions that. So here's another comment that we took a screenshot. Thanks for RKable Trade, Andrew. I read your book a few weeks ago and joined last week, loving it. So if you really want to seriously trade, day trade, read my books, and you can actually join our community. We have complete education from the basics all the way up to advanced. We have simulator. We have funded training account to help you. And I really hope that you guys can trade like me, the benefit from me. Obviously, the P&L doesn't matter because my account is now 8.2 billion, hopefully. Million, but the percentage wise, if you can get 1% or 2%, look, on an $8 million account, exactly my account right now is 8.12. So $70,000 is less than 1%. So, but if you can get that, that would be amazing. Going through some other stuff that I wanted to mention that, guys, again, this is my book for those of you who would like to see. This is the Kindle version. This is the this is the audiobook version, and of course you can have the paperback version. So I'd love to guys you to read it and leave your honest feedback on it. Soon I'm going to get to 18,000 reviews, which thanks to your support, people. You can also go and read all of these honest reviews that people write. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, and just encourage everybody for an honest review. So thank you so much for your support on that. In terms of webinars, we have a lot of things happening in our community. So we have really good webinars today. If you go to our website, you can actually go to the webinar page, and we have a lot of webinar today. Well, the Mondays we have onboarding and the platform. Today, Gary L is one of the best traders that we have. Is going to talk about trend trading, and that's what you want to actually learn about. Trend trading. So today is the webinar. Next day, tomorrow Wednesday, Dr. Charlene is coming. So our usually Monday is about onboarding and technology. Tuesday is about strategy. We have Wednesday for psychology, and then we have Thursdays for mentorship. We have a lot of mentorships for day trading and everything in there. So I really hope that you guys can attend. And another thing that I want to mention that is that we have a 3-day conference at the end of the March 29th, 30th, and 31st. And I hope that you can join. You can actually go and take a look at the program and all the speakers and then all the things that we're adding. And I hope that you can join all of the moderators are coming, so you can see all the team. And I hope that most of you actually can join our community and especially our events, because we spend a lot of time and energy on it. And it's 2 locations. The TEDx is in Vancouver one day, and then 2 days in Paradox Hotel, 5-star hotel, And I really, really hope that you guys can make it. And this is the biggest live trading event that we have all together. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and I'm happy to answer your questions.